Hi there, it's me again. In the previous tutorial, we were given a practical introduction to classes. You can create as many functions as you want in the MyFirstClass class, which was basically learned in the previous lesson. So, what are we going to learn in this lesson? Well, this lesson is basically all about the need of an object in C++. You know something? We need to get this whole program working. So now we need an object. But what is an object? Object contains data and operation. The operation we are talking about are functions in a single unit called encapsulation. What is encapsulation? Encapsulation. This one we will be learning in the next coming videos. Okay, and this is pretty important for you to know. Now, we need an object. An object tells what class you're working with. So, creating an object is basically the same as creating a variable. Remember the previous lesson? My first class is a class. Like if you can see now, okay, this was something, my first class. So objects needs to be typed in the main body. So this is where you type your main body. Sorry, your object. Okay, let's start. So give a name to your object. But before that, we are going to use the functions here in the MyFirstClass class into this main body. So let's do this. MyFirstClass. And then I need a name for my object. So this will be my first object. And then we end it with a semicolon. Okay, so whenever you want to access variables, functions in your class, the my first object, which is an object, which we just created, is a key. Okay, so after ending my first object with a semicolon, write the name of the object below my first class. My first object. And use a dot separator. This is a dot separator. It's our way of using the dot separator in making sure that we are accessing the variable functions. Once we put the dot separator, it knows what we want to do. After the dot separator, we add the my first class. So let's type it here, my first class. And we end with an open close parameter. And guess what? We have a full working class or full working program which is ready to be executed. So that's all for now. I'll meet you in the next coming lessons. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. See ya.